Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you doing your task manually? You tired? So let's do it differently. In this tutorial, you will be learning VLOOKUP function of Excel step by step. How to fill data from the source with VLOOKUP. Let's add part numbers to see how it would work. As you can see, the data of description and unit price cells taken from the source. Let's add quantity to see the total cost. For the sake of this video, I will populate the data for whole proposal. On step 1, we will be creating a table. This is the proposal template I've created. So let's move to the creation of the table from the other tab. The table will be used as a source of the data, where we're going to get the data from. In order to create a table, we need to go to the Insert menu and click on a Table button. On a pop-up window, please ensure My Table Has Headers option is checked. Now let's choose one of the part numbers and add into the proposal. You see nothing happens. Don't worry, we will fix it soon. On step 2, we will be using VLOOKUP function. Type VLOOKUP, then parenthesis, then press Fx to open function menu. Open pop-up window. That will be the function arguments for VLOOKUP. Lookup value will be the value as a part number we're going to looking for. The table array we've just created, table 4. Column index number is the column next to the part number. Range lookup will be false in order to avoid any discrepancies. After adding the data, click OK. You can see now data populated at the description field. However, when we drag the formula down, we've got the inappropriate text. So on the next step, we will remove that text or just make it empty. On step 3, we will learn if error function. For this, we will be just putting if error function in front of the VLOOKUP. We just need to open the bracket after the if error and then move at the end of the formula, put fifths and then put the quotes and space between the quotes and close the brackets. Press enter to move on. Let's drag the formula down again. Now the issue is fixed, we can move forward. Let's test it and add any part numbers from the source. So you can see by adding part number, the description field automatically identified the relevant description. We will be repeating step 1 and step 2 for unit price. This time, we will use column index 3 to get the data from the source. And we would be leaving the rest information same. Now we've got the price identified. Let's drag down to see the formula population. As you can see, it's given us the same issues with NA. We're going to fix it with if error function again. Now let's drag the formula down. As you can see, appropriate text has been disappeared. Then on a quantity section, we put in the quantity we need to put into proposal and the total amount automatically calculated. The next step will be calculation of total summary. As you can see on the formula, the unit price multiple by quantity and give the total amount. Congratulations guys! That's it for today. I hope you like my video. If so, please get subscribed and hit like button. Thank you for watching.